After we successfully upload our website content to our web server, if you realize that right now it shows not secure over here, how can we enable the HTTP in order to make this become a secure connection? A lock logo will be shown over here. Let me show you how. First, we require to go to our cPanel. I can go to calvin.xyz/cpanel. After that, put in a username and password and click login. You can scroll down until the security section and look for this Let's Encrypt SSL. Click on it. Once you reach this Let's Encrypt SSL, what you will see is your domain name will show over here, and you just require to click issue. It will require to ask you whether do you want to include this several subdomain. If you don't want, can put it as default and just click issue. It will take a while to generate the SSL certificate, and once it shows this message means already successfully issued the SSL. We can see that the message over here, the SSL certificate is now installed into the domain calvin.xyz using this IP address. After you click the back button, you will reach this page. It will show you that your SSL is already installed and the expire date will be on 5th of May 2022. But no worry, usually the system will auto renew the SSL certificate. Now let's take a try. We put in https www.calvin.xyz, enter, and you will see a lock button, a lock logo will be shown over here. That means your website is installed with SSL, is fully encrypted. But this is not the end. You can go to another browser, put in www.calvin.xyz without the HTTPS and click enter. You may now try to enable SSL, install the SSL for your website. I will see you in the next video.